Welcome back to quantreef.com. Ether's trading around 2,492, sitting right in the middle of a tight range that's worth digging into. We'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this likely goes over the next several hours. Price is at 2,492, just below session VWAP at 2,494 and change, which tells you buyers haven't quite reclaimed value for the session. The two anchored VWAPs from the swing high and low sit close together near 2,475 to 79, so treat that as one zone rather than two. Trend structure score is strong at 78, but the crypto relative strength read is weak, so momentum here looks more neutral than convincingly bullish. The liquidation map itself isn't printing clean pool data this cycle, but the structure panel is doing a lot of that work for us. Stop hunt risk is flagged high, which usually means resting orders are clustered tight around obvious levels, both the swing low below and the round number targets above. Markets tend to run toward those clusters first because that's where the liquidity to fill large orders actually lives, then often snap back once it's grabbed. On the panel right now, resistance above sits at target 1, 2,530, then target 2 up at 2,738.77, and target 3 at 2,783.54. Below, support is the 1-hour swing low at 2,453.33, with the stop-loss level just under it at 2,445.80. Given how close price sits to that swing low, I'd lean toward the downside level getting tested first. A clean break under 2,445 would invalidate the current range red. All three unfilled fair value gaps sit below price, one at 2,221 down to 2,108, a daily gap stretching to 1,923, and a third near 1,930. These are magnets for a deeper pullback, but they're a good distance away right now. More immediately relevant is the Fibonacci. Price is sitting right on the 0.382 retracement near 2,494, inside the 4-hour swing. Given the gaps are 10+% away, price is far more likely to react to that fib level first. The grade reads neutral, with an N of 82 and HTS of 61, decent readiness but not yet a high conviction setup. Volume and liquidity at 81 and trend structure at 78 are carrying the score, while relative strength at 35 is the main drag. Positioning data isn't populated this cycle, so I won't guess at who's crowded, worth watching for when it fills in. With price wedged between VWAP just above and the swing low just below, I think the more likely first move is a probe down toward that 2,453 support before any real push higher. If sellers force a break under 2,445, the next magnets are those bull fair value gaps down near 2,200 and lower. If buyers defend it, look for a run at 2,530 and then the 2,700 range. Remember, Ether largely follows Bitcoin's lead here, so check Bitcoin's own liquidity picture before leaning either way. A Bitcoin sweep can override a clean-looking Ether setup entirely. Long entries cluster near 1,862, shorts near 1,944, both well below current price, so patience matters more than urgency right now. So we're sitting right at a decision point, and whichever side takes that nearby liquidity first likely sets the tone for the next few hours. If this kind of breakdown helps, drop a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability, and liquidity read across more than 100 coins, and there's a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. This is educational content only, not financial advice.